Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Sam and today I am very ill. I've got a cold, so that's why I sound a little bit bunged up. But we're doing a Balenciaga unboxing review on a bag that I've wanted for so damn long, and I finally got it. I've held off buying this bag for so long just because of the price, and I just couldn't justify it. But then I thought, actually, I really do need this bag in my life. I sold another one of my bags and I thought there was a bit of a gaping hole in my wardrobe. So I don't like to buy things full price, so I had a little look on Vestiare Collective and there was literally about 2 bags that kind of fit the bill that I wanted. It was either going to be this one that I bought or the bigger version in black with the rhinestones, which is really nice, but I just knew as an everyday bag I wanted the smaller size. The RRP for this bag is $1,150. This woman had it on for $1,100 and have reduced it to $1,000. I offered $800 and we met in the middle at $900. So I got it for £900, which I'm really happy with. So here is the unboxing experience. I already actually had this bag, can't lie. But it did come with this dust bag. So the dust bag just has Balenciaga on it, as you would expect, and the bag is inside. And here is the bag. So before we get into that, let's just see little things that it came with. So it has, I think all of them kind of come with these tags and labels on them. Yeah, so they were just included. Anything you buy from Vestiare Collective is actually authenticated before it comes to you, and that's what happened. So it took just over a week to come to me, and yeah, anyway, here is the bag. It's in this beautiful white colour with the shape. I love the colour. I never go for white things. I always tend to go for black or more neutral colours. Obviously this is a neutral colour, but I just thought, you know what, I'm going to go with this, and they match my new Balenciaga sunnies as well. So glad I didn't really have the choice of all the colours, and this was the one that was on Vestiaire, because I wouldn't have probably gone for white, even though now I realise I love the white. So I always really play it safe and buy black if I'm buying something expensive, but it's beautiful. And I bought my Balenciaga white Wirecat sunnies to match. So when I'm walking through town like this, I look iconic. Again, I don't actually think I've seen this bag on YouTube. I don't think anyone has really posted it. So here is your first little look. So this is the classic city style rather than the Le Cagole, which is the kind of like curved croissant my friend always says it is like. But you've got all the studs on it. It's very like overly studded, which is like, I think, the motorcycle vibe, and they have replaced the city bag with these now, so you can get the Le Cagole, which is the curved version of this, the Neo Cagole, which is this, which is still got that like their lambskin leather vibe with all the motorcycle vibes, or you can get the Neo Classic, which is just the flat matte leather, which is maybe a bit more reminiscent of a classic city bag. So on the front we have just a zip compartment here, which you could probably fit in some coins or some cards or whatever, and it's all got these leather tassels. You've then got a little heart-shaped mirror that says Balenciaga on the back with the mirror, and then we have got a bit of an issue here. So here is the little key wallet that comes off, and when I got it, it had the stud on, but it was a little bit loose, and I took the bag out. I should have like properly looked at it and screwed it on, but it unfortunately fell off. So that's a bit embarrassing. So I'm gonna have to go and take it to Balenciaga, and hopefully they will be able to replace the stud. But it did come with the stud on it, it just was loose and it did actually fall off in my possession. But Vestiare Collective have given me a £90 voucher, so a 10% voucher to spend on something else, which is kind of annoying, but you know what, £90, £90. So in effect, I got this for around £800. So anyway, and then but I've also heard and seen a lot of people with these bags where multiple have fallen off. So I know it's not just me, I know I haven't bought anything like raggedy. Anyway, so yeah, you've got all these buckles, everything going on here. You've got this shoulder strap, which you can adjust and change with the different buckles. You've got all these little buckle holes, like, which is just part of the design. And then you've got this little shoulder pad here, which is really nice. Really adds to the whole vibe when it's on your shoulder. Like, it just looks really, I don't know, I really like it. On the back we have absolutely nothing, not really many studs either, which obviously wouldn't be nice rubbing up against your body anyway. It's a little bit folded in, just, I don't know if they're all like that or if it's just because the person before had, you know, used it a little bit, but I think this is in amazing condition. Like, it's literally in amazing condition. It's already got that wrinkled vibe because that's just how the bags come, so it's not like you would even notice. You've got the tassels on the main zip, so you can just open that up, and there's actually two sides of the tassels, so which is kind of nice. And I've tucked this in here, but on the side you can have these sticking out here as well. Which I think is maybe an option when you've got it as like holding it as a handle bag, but when you've got it like this, that can get a little bit annoying with the shoulder strap. So anyway, just showing you how you can kind of tuck it in this side, or you can just have it, I don't know why you would do that, but anyway, inside you've got a lot of space, and you've got Balenciaga at the back and another zip compartment, kind of date code in here. So you've got this zip compartment, main compartment, front zip compartment, and a little key wallet which you could put your most used card in, maybe like contactless when you're going through the tube or public transport or whatever. It's just very handy, and it's a lot bigger than a lot of my other small bags. I've got like a Louis Vuitton soft mini trunk, and you cannot fit as much in there as you can fit in here. Like, I can fit my iPad mini in here, which is great. I've got my iPhone 14 Pro Max here, and we'll just pop that in. I've got a big chunky portable charger, pop that in too. Some little Aesop hand cream, Louis Vuitton zippy wallet. Here are my sunglasses. I'm not going to put them in so they don't scratch, but I can fit them in here. And I could fit in lots of stuff. Sometimes I shove my bottle of water in there and kind of have it sticking out. But I can actually fit my iPad mini in, which is like, when I look at a bag, I'm like, oh, I want to be able to fit my iPad in, because I like to just go on my little strolls with my iPad, go journal in the park, you know. That's the life I live. And yeah, anyway, I love this bag so much. It's very, very iconic. We're going to ignore that little issue. But for the price I got it, I think it was really worth it. For the RRP of $1,150, again, I still think it's worth it. I just don't like paying such amounts. So I'm glad I kind of held off and found something that was a lot cheaper. When it's off the shoulder, sometimes if I've got like a coat on or a jacket, it kind of slips off. So I do tend to have it across my body like so, and it just looks so cool. It would have looked really cool in summer too, but it's now winter, but it also is obviously going to look good in winter because it's white like snow and ice. If you have any questions about this bag, please put them in the comments and I will reply. Please follow me on Instagram and TikTok at samscottbills, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel, it really helps. So guys, hopefully I won't be as ill in the next video, but I hope you enjoyed and have a good day. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.